Okay, and so we want, I'm sorry, you're looking to flip this?
No, I'm looking to do pat split on this one.
Okay. So Sergio is looking to do a pad split on this one, so I want you to do a full analysis on this property. Sergio, how much work does it need to be done in order to get it ready to be pad split? Do you know?
Right now, there's going to be 4 rooms available. I don't know if AI is going to be able to get the new square footage on it, but they've added 1,000 feet square feet to the property. So they added two. They have added two rooms with restrooms in the rooms.
Okay.
So
So how
and
many
they
square
extend.
feet total should it be?
So just to be safe, let's do 21.
Okay. Let's go from there.
Just to be safe. I think it's a little more, but just to be safe.
So let's see what it has to say.
Good morning, it's Hoy.
Hey, Hoy, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? I wanted to jump in to ask Sergio a question on
Yeah.
how I guess the financing and the money you're gonna bring up to do these projects. Are you raising capital, or are you getting like a loan from the bank, or are you just
Uh,
all cash?
so a little bit of everything. Like my fix and flip, because of how big the investment was, I was able to cash out that. But the rest of the stuff, I'm willing to do hard money if I need to. But I'm also doing IRA investment for my long term rentals, and then I'm gonna be doing for like for my long term rentals are gonna be IRA funds, and then my fix and flip are gonna be cash, and then for anything that's pad splits, I'm probably gonna do many loans for a little bit until I recuperate all the money that I've already put in investment, and then worst case scenario, I'm gonna be using cash. I don't want to if I don't need to on certain projects, but I will be using cash too.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so great questions, White. This is awesome. Okay, so here's what it's saying. Here it is, 2,100 square feet, 1,000 square feet newly added, 4 rentable bedrooms. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Pad split. Here we go. So here's what it's saying. The financial analysis. So the room rent, so on average is $850 a month times 4, 3,400. Vacancy 10%. So you're looking at around $3,000 a month. Gross annual income 36,000. Estimated expenses. So your NOI is around 23,000 a year. So you say that it's 300,000. Is that right?
I'm gonna buy it for 300,000. Correct.
Okay. So then your NOI is calculated. So your cash flow is around so 3,000 minus the expenses. You're looking at about $985 a month.
Yep,
So
and that's on the low end. When we ran the numbers yesterday, that's like super low. We're predicting to be in at $1,200 per room, and then that's not including if obviously that's just right now. That's not including the 3 other rooms that we're going to be adding. So in total, we're going to do 7.
you're adding 3 more rooms.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how long do you think you guys it'll be before you can have those completed so that you can rent them out?
It's a matter of 3 months.
Okay. So by what is that? By January?
Yeah, so like they just said the end of January. Yep, correct.
Okay, perfect. So let's rerun the numbers based on right now it's September 26th. So by the end of January, he'll have 3 more rooms. I hate when that happens. Okay, let's try this again. So right now it's January or September 26th. By the end of January, he's going to add 3 more rooms, and they are running the numbers at $1,200 per room per night. So I want you to rerun the numbers. Sergio, how much is it going to cost you renovation-wise to add those 3 rooms? Because I want to add that into the numbers as well.
So they just add a minimum of 35,000
Okay, per room or total?
total.
Okay, great. Let's try this. Let's see if it grabbed it this time. There we go. Okay, here we go. 4 rentable rooms. 3 more by January. $1,200. $3,500. Okay, so here we go. So 7 rooms. $1,200. $8,400 minus the vacancy income. So you're looking at $90,000 a year. And with operating expenses, so NOI operating income. Okay. Renovations. So per month, you're looking at 3,300 per month. So the payback for the renovation and all the things, you're looking at 2.74 years.
Hmm. That's correct.
Okay, there you go. So due diligence report, you want to make sure that the zoning, permits, everything are on track. So then here's your action plan. Yeah, this is great. But you've already done this, so, you know,
Yes.
yeah, having fun with it. I love it. So this is awesome.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
So Sergio, how many deals have you done? Can I just ask that?
Yeah, with these two, I started my journey 2 months ago. So after the 2 months
Nice.
ago, I've already done two deals. So basically
Beautiful.
a deal a month.
So can I add something to your journey to help catapult it faster?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one of the books, I've been investing for well over 30 years and I've done hundreds of deals. And one of the things that I've discovered is that you do enough deals, things are going to go sideways. But one of the most important things we can do is be introspective about different deals that we've done, whether they go good, bad, whatever, because that's where we're actually going to learn the most.